Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. Registering over 60,000 cases in 24 hours for the first time, India's COVID-19 tally galloped past 20 lakh on Friday, while the number of recoveries surged 13.78 lakh according to the Union Health Ministry data. The coronavirus infection tally had crossed 19 lakh just 2 days ago. It took 110 days for COVID-19 cases in the country to reach 1 lakh and 59 days more to cross the 10 lakh mark. Thereafter, it took just 21 days more to go past 20 lakh. This was the 9th day in a row that the tally increased by more than 50,000. According to the Health Ministry data updated at 8 am, 62,538 cases were added in a day, taking the total coronavirus caseload to 20,27,074. The death toll climbed to 41,585 with 886 people succumbing to the infection in 24 hours, the data showed. At the same time, the number of patients who recuperated from the disease surged to 13,78,105 on Friday, taking the recovery rate to 67.98%. There are 6,07,384 active coronavirus cases in the country presently, which comprise 29.96% of the total caseload. Case fatality rate has further dropped to 2.07%, the Union Health Ministry said. Serum Institute of India on Friday said it has entered into a new partnership with International Vaccine Alliance Gavi and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to accelerate manufacturing and delivery up to 100 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines for India as well as other low and middle income countries. The collaboration will provide upfront capital to SII to help them increase manufacturing capacity now, so that once a vaccine or vaccines gain regulatory approval and WHO pre-qualification, doses can be produced at scale for distribution to India and LMICs as part of the Gavi COVAX AMC mechanism as early as the first half of 2021, SII said in a statement. The company has set an affordable ceiling price of $3 per dose, it added. The funding will support at-risk manufacturing by SII for candidate vaccine from AstraZeneca and Novavax, which will be available for procurement if they are successful in attaining full licensure and WHO pre-qualification, the statement said. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, via its strategic investment fund, will provide at-risk funding at $150 million to Gavi, which will be used to support the SII to manufacture the potential vaccine candidate and for the future procurement of vaccines for low and middle income countries via Gavi COVAX Advanced Market Commitment, the statement said. At least 10 people were killed, 85 reportedly missing, and 16 persons rescued in the major landslide caused due to the heavy rain at Petty Moody in Rajamala in this district on Friday. Sources said heavy rain has been lashing the area since Thursday night. 10 bodies have been recovered from the landslide spot at Petty Moody in Rajamala of Munnar Grama Panchayat. As many as 16 persons has been rescued and the condition of 4 among them is stated to be critical. Those rescued were admitted to the Kannan Devan hospital here. Though the incident happened at 4 am, it came to light only this morning due to the lack of communication from the isolated area. A team of National Disaster Response Force reached the spot and began the rescue operations. Airlifting of people is also under consideration as part of the rescue operation provided the weather is conducive, an official said. Hospitals in the neighboring district have been alerted to get prepared for an emergency situation. An Air India Express flight from Dubai with 191 people on board overshot the runway at Kozhikode Airport on Friday in rainy condition and went down 35 feet into a slope before breaking up into 2 pieces, Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said. He said the Kerala police has reported 11 deaths in the accident. The minister said he is deeply anguished and distressed at the accident, and relief team from Air India and Airport Authority of India are being immediately dispatched from Delhi and Mumbai. All efforts are being made to help passengers. A formal inquiry will be conducted by AAIB Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, the minister said on Twitter. Deeply anguished and distressed at the air accident in Kozhikode, the Air India Express flight number AXP 1344 on its way from Dubai to Kozhikode with 191 persons on board overshot the runway in rainy condition and went down 35 feet into a slope before breaking up into two pieces, he said. Before him, the ministry said in a statement that there were total 190 persons on board the aircraft, 174 passengers, 10 infants, 2 pilot and 4 cabin crew. Educationalist Pradeep Kumar Joshi was on Friday appointed the chairman of the Union Public Service Commission, which conducts the civil service examination to select the country's bureaucrats and diplomats, officials said. Joshi is currently a member in the commission. He was administered the oath of office and secrecy by Arvind Saxena, the outgoing chairman of the UPSC, according to an official statement. Joshi joined the commission as its member on May 12, 2015. Prior to joining the commission, he was the chairman of the Chhattisgarh Public Service Commission and the Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission, the statement issued by UPSC said. He also served as the director of National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration here, it said. The 2021 Women's Cricket World Cup, which was scheduled to be held in New Zealand, has been postponed until 2022 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, ICC said on Friday. The decision to postpone the 12th edition of the Premier 50-over tournament was taken at the ICC board meeting, which was held via teleconference on Friday. The ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2021 in New Zealand has been postponed until February-March 2022 because of the impact the pandemic has had on cricket globally, the ICC said in statement. The ICC also confirmed that India would be hosting the Men's T20 World Cup in 2021, while Australia will host the postponed edition in 2022. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.